Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to review Alien Power Cleaner. The Alien Power Cleaner is a handy product made to help clean stubborn dirt and stains easily. It works on different surfaces like kitchen counters, bathrooms, tiles, and even car interiors. The formula is strong, so it can remove creases, grime, and tough marks without too much scrubbing. Many people like it because it saves time and effort during cleaning. It is also safe to use on most household surfaces, so you don't have to worry about damage. The spray bottle makes it simple to apply, reaching both large areas and small corners. Its fast action helps leave things looking fresh and shiny quickly. Some users even use it for outdoor furniture, grills, or garage tools. The smell is not too strong, which makes cleaning more pleasant. The liquid is concentrated, so only a small amount is needed for active results. This makes it last longer and gives good value for money. It is also easy to rinse off, leaving no sticky residue behind. People appreciate that it works better than many regular cleaners from the store. The design of the bottle is comfortable to hold and spray. Overall, the Allen Powder Cleaner is powerful, versatile, and practical for both everyday and tough cleaning tasks. If you want an all-in-one cleaner, this is a useful choice for your home. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you guys some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.